bigatin ka na because of, di ba nakipag-collaborate ka na internationally?
Honestly, hindi ko alam anong, I don't know how to feel, honestly, with all the collaborations I'm doing. When I was in the States, ang dami nangyari na, yung video namin ni Alex Sayona when it came out on YouTube. I still couldn't believe kasi dati talagang pinapanood ko yung mga videos niya non-stop, daily, na paulit-ulit. And then I never knew I'd be able to be singing with that guy, even Leroy Sanchez. And nakakatawa kasi yung suporta ng mga Pinoy sa States, yung Filipino community, and also the artists, and also the producers dun sa States. Sobrang silang supportive. Alam mo yung hindi ka nila parang pagpunta mo doon, they're gonna welcome you and want you to be successful as well. Talagang tutulungan ka nila. So, para sa akin, I don't wanna, yung term na bigatin, I guess, isipin na lang natin, just being able to do more work. I guess, nakaka-pressure kasi yung term na yun, or parang it doesn't sound as good, I guess.
Ano sinasabi ni Maris sa success na nangyayari
No,
sa'yo?
she has her input sa mga ginagawa ko, and she tells me actually na kahit papano, dapat bigyan ko pa rin importansya siyempre yung career ko dito and Filipino music, OPM, which I think is super important kasi OPM now is, as we can see, sobrang ganda na OPM ngayon. Dami mga banda, dami mga artists na talagang lumalabas, and it's such a beautiful thing to be part of.
Do you still have time to each other? Although lagi kang abroad, kumbaga, how do you manage yung time together?
We rarely see each other nowadays, pero actually bukas meron kaming shooting for Millennial na sobrang tagal naming hindi nakakakuha ng schedule kasi it's either I'm busy or she's busy. So, masaya ako na finally magkakaroon kami ng shooting day for that. And our tour actually is coming up in a couple of weeks. And I always look forward to that kasi, I love performing with someone who is as passionate, and I've always said that in my past interviews. Meron kami mga bagong kanta na nakakantahin. And excited ako sa tour namin.
Tapos yung I Millennial, pinakita na sa yung trailer,
yes,
diba?
Yung premiere ng Kuya West. Yes.
Ano masasabi mo na ang daming good response na parang excited nang mapanood kayo?
Nakaka-excite, honestly, nakakatakot na nakaka-excite. Every time naman may lumalabas na project, yun yung talaga na magiging pakiramdam ng artist. Pero ako, masaya ako para sa buong team kasi alam kong lahat binigay namin dito, especially si Maris, sobra talagang nag-shine yung skills niya sa pagiging artista. Siyempre, in this film, sobra talagang nagawa niya yung mga acting pieces na nagulat ako kasi hindi siya pure drama. It's very it's comedy. Pero not everyone can pull that off. Not a lot of artists can pull off yung ginagawa ni Maris. So nakakatuwa and nakaka-excite for the whole team.
May similarity sila when tsaka si Elenia.
Yes, she's a vlogger. Yeah, famous na YouTuber actually.
Pero ganito, paano niyo ialis ang market sa tao yung since yun yung mahina yung mga Pilipino?
Yeah, yun nga. Actually, I was talking to my dad about it. Kasi as much as possible, I also want to learn, whatever my dad's doing with the Spring Films. And, kahit sa music din naman, parang nakaka-excite. Pero, I guess, yung sa pag-evolve din kasi ng technology, we have Netflix, we have iFlix, we have iWant. Parang ngayon, it's sad to say, but people are easily just, turning into those things. Pero I think dapat supportahan pa rin natin yung mga Philippine movies that are in the cinema, because I feel like that's what's gonna enable us to make more quality films if we support it and not download it pirated or pag sa Facebook, di ba, nagdepend na parang nasa Facebook na yun na couple of weeks. Sana supportahan din nila kasi that's the only way that we're gonna be able to make quality films if we support our yung sariling gawa natin sa mga producers natin dito sa Pilipinas. So para hindi din tayo magreklamo na di ba't hindi quality yung mga nagagawa natin, di ba?
Do you agree na dapat ilagay sa Friday yung opening day ng mga pelikula?
Actually, Pwede actually kasi parang mas, 'di ba, weekend. Hindi ko pa narinig yun, pero actually that's a good thing, and I think there would have to be a lot of, parang questions na dapat pag-usapan in terms of bakit dapat gawing Friday. Pero Initially, reaction ko is I think that would be a good idea because, you know, magiging free yung mga tao para manood.
Anong reaction nila yung nalaman niyang may collaboration ka with Wenji?
No, she's very supportive sa lahat ng ginagawa kong
Kilala ka si Wenji
collaborations.
personally?
Not yet, no.
Are you willing to introduce?
Why not? Yeah, I mean, it'd be great to be able to show her to as much as, ano, as much as sa mga kaibigan ko dito sa Philippines. But yeah, why not if given the chance?
Hindi ba siya nagsalis?
No, I mean, like what I said, she's very supportive sa lahat naman. But yeah, she always tells me to really, you know, give importance to my career here in the Philippines still, no matter what.
Siguro niya, even na magkalayo kayo, you have different works, and then, kumbaga nagtutuloy pa rin yung inyong, kumbaga, friendship, and then more.
I guess really supporting one another no matter what and really putting aside each other's differences kasi marami namang kaming similarities so naiintindihan namin yung mga ginagawa ng isa't isa. And I guess a very special, you know, friendship would have to have a base na kung saan, you know, you guys have, you know, appreciation for each other in anything that you do. Ako sobrang na-appreciate yung whenever we're together, we share each other's, you know, simple things like sabihin niya sa akin, pakinggan mo yung bago kong sinulat na kanta. You know, simple things like that kasi nakikita mo na-appreciate niya yung ginagawa mo, na-appreciate ko yung ginagawa niya as a person, as an artist. And I think that's what, you know, makes moments special for one another. Opo.
Kasi yung mom mo, di ba, nagpa-interview na kayo ni Philip.
I know.
How was it?
Sa magandang buhay.
Did you take along?
Yeah, actually, dapat surprise yun eh. Pero alam ko na talaga kasi ang tagal niya talagang ano, din-decide, sabi niya gagawin ko ba to o hindi. Si Mami talaga, siya yung pinaka-ayaw niya ng camera. Ayaw niya ng anything showbiz related. Sobra siyang, parang she'll support me, yes. But she'll be behind the scenes. Eh, wala talagang pupunta dun sa interview. Sabi ko, grabe ma, walang pupunta dun sa interview ko. So, you know, she did it for me and masaya ako, nakakatuwa na ginawa ni Mami yun. Pero nakita ko talaga habang ginagawa namin yung magandang buhay na sobra siyang parang medyo nagpapanik. Pero, you know, she enjoyed it naman. Yeah.
Nakita ganun ka mo kagaya ng dad. Ano yung mga sasabi niya sa'yo pag ganito may mga major milestone?
Si Mami, ano mo minsan nagsisend si Mami, kunyari nasa trabaho ko, magsisend si Mami ng picture na pinapakinggan niya yung kanta ko, yung mga hindi pa nare-release. Tapos, alam mo yung pupunta siya from bata ako na grabe nung Center for Pop Days mo pa, this and that, nung nasa high school ka, ito, tapos ngayon you're doing this. You know, she never fails to remind me where I came from, you know, she never fails to remind me that dati sa banyo lang ako kumakanta. Palagi niyang nire-remind na ang special yung mga opportunities na nabibigay sa'yo. So dapat bigyan mo ng importansya and value every opportunity. Not just because you're this person, not because you have this right now, it doesn't mean that you'll have it forever. So my mom always, you know, reminds me na imagine mo ano yung ginagawa mo ngayon kung wala ka nitong meron ka. Thank you.
Ano yung similarities nila Maris at Wenji?
Yung height ata nila parehas. Siguro, no, bright personality. Bright personality. I mean, as we can see, she's very friendly. Maris also is very friendly na, alam mo, tipong makikipag-usap kung kanino. And I think that's something that we rarely see nowadays sa mga artists, you know. Someone that is really just, you know, friendly kung kanino man and not choosing the people to be friends with.
You're friends with Loisa. Nakabalitaan mo nangyari na viral na parang yung video. Na hindi naman siya. Anong may support ang binigay mo sa kanya?
You know, para sa akin, ang tao, you know, we go through a lot of things and you know, if it's not Lois, I don't honestly I haven't heard much about it kasi nanggaling akong Davao nung nangyari lahat ng yun. So I was, you know, focused on supporting my dad. Pagbalik ko actually, kahapon ko lang siya nalaman. I haven't seen the video. Pero para sa akin kung ano ang tao, if something bad happens like that, more than anything, more than making fun of anybody, we should, you know, help that person because kung tayo man may pagdaanan, you know, we wouldn't want someone to make us feel as if na mali yung ginagawa mo. Even if it's wrong, you should at least help the person. And like what I said, if they said it's not her, it's not her. You know, para sa akin, as her friend, you know, if people are hating on her, all I could do is really just, you know, help her in any way. Yeah.
Please invite them na to support itong
Mr. Nice Guy.
Ayan, maraming salamat. Mga kapamilya, sana po supportahan niyo po ang bago naming kanta ni Wenji, Mr. Nice Guy. We have an English, Tagalog, Taglish version of this. And of course, a -1 version of this para makagawa rin kayo ng mga covers nyo. At syempre, sana abangan niyo yung music video namin. This is our first collaboration with YG. Of course, sobra akong na-excite sa opportunity to. Sana excited din kayo. And yun, abangan nyo kami sa As of this Sunday. Thank you guys.